Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Profit Data for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to perform some of the financial sentiment analysis. Okay, so as you know, I've already given some of the videos which is related to financial sentiment analysis, especially break the breaking news in Python. Okay, and in the recent, I have discussed about the IPO, about oversubscribe, and the viral real estate image, which you can check in my channel. Okay, so whatever the CP has been given as a notification to be considered, now it has been considered to be inactive. Okay, so just try to check with the exchange circular and what are the news you need to consider from this post. So this is the Zerodha post. So as SEBI's new rule for index derivative increase in contract size, so whichever earlier it has considered to be 5 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees, now the contract size has been changed from 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs. So as per this one, what happens? The lot size has been increased. So for the weekly expiry contracts, as per the NSE, the lot size will be for 25 rupees, whatever the size of Nifty will be 60, Bank Nifty 15 to 30, Fin Nifty 25 to 65, Nifty Index 50 from 10 to 20, then Mid Cap Nifty from 50 to 115. Sensex it is from 10 to 20 and BackX from 15 to 25. So the lot size you need to consider in this way. So earlier I believe whatever the contracts has been previous it was 50 rupees, so I must say plus 20 plus 10 has been added, and in Bank Nifty plus 15 has been added, which is like 30 rupees. Earlier as I say the contract was 30 rupees only, so now it has been came into the same picture. So two or three things which we need to consider. So when we are getting into trading, we definitely go the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and then we will go with the Sensex. So weekly expiry contracts will be there, which we try to consider for trading purpose. So these three in focus part will be there, and I think as per the contract size, okay, it is good, no issues. So now the news for another no calendar spread benefits on expiry day, limiting weekly expiry contracts. So for example, what happens, NSE will be able to offer weekly expiry only after the Nifty 50 index or Bank Nifty. Okay. So likewise, BSE will be able to offer weekly expiry only for Sensex or BankX. All other indices will only have monthly expiry. So up to November 20th, the weekly expiry contracts will be there. And after this, only like from NSE, one weekly expiry contracts will be there, and as per the BSE, one expiry contracts will be there. So as per the recent circular issue, so these three things has been taken out. So as per the shocking considerations, Nifty Bank has been taken out. So all of these speculations from the YouTubers, from the news, that definitely Nifty Bank will be there, so it is rolled out. Okay, so no Nifty Bank, no Nifty Midcap Select, and no Nifty Financial Services for trading purpose until November 20. So if, as of right now, if you are watching this news, you definitely can place the order for this one. But after number 20th, you can't do. Okay, so do consider trading for this. And after you need to go with the Nifty 50 and then Sensex. Okay, so that you need to check. So all of the things which are right now what we are considering as news, I will definitely go with the fact checking. Fact checking in the sense what happens in financial sentiment analysis. We have three things. So what we have to a neutral, positive, and then in between the negative news. Okay, so three things will be there. Okay, and in between detection of a fraud. Okay, spam news fake news to be judged in the financial sentiment analysis model. To be considered in these things, not all of the financial sentiment analysis model is required. You can go with some of the simple URL. So some of the simplicity which you can check as per the context, I'm definitely gonna show you. Okay. So first thing is that SEBI rule is done. Now one more news which you need to consider is IDFC First Bank and IDFC merger has been done. So if you already placed any kind of orders in IDFC, you can see those merger because of that one. It has been moved to IDFC First Bank. okay, which will be IDFC first FB will be selected the symbol. Okay, so the merger is a considering as a positive flow. Okay, so the context which will be available won't be for the IDFC, it will be IDFC first B. Okay, and one more news which you need to check, that is the as per the earlier circular, SEBI has been issued that you should not guarantee assured returns, especially for the algo trading platform, but they can't guarantee the assured returns. But in case of as per the Tradetron, there exactly some dashboards will be there on back testing or any kind of a testing. They used to show some of the assured returns or some of the back testing results, which is not going good with the SEBI. Okay, so they have been issued so-called notice to the brokers that they should not link with the Tradetron, and almost all brokers were considering the Tradetron platform. Okay, so it's better to avoid. So this is the dashboard which you see. They are showing some returns this will be the returns and that will be the returns. So I think if you get in the back testing results, you can get with this Python as well. Okay, but Python is not as a third-party application, it's a programming language, and whatever we need to be considered as an individual. But Tradetron is an acting as a third-party application which actually reveals all of these stuffs. Okay, which is not going good with the SEBI. It's best as of right now. Instead of getting the Tradetron, go with the Python. Okay, and Python you can directly interact with the broker API, can connect with them, and can place orders in Python directly to the broker. So it's better to move and learn the basics and to try with the Python. Okay, so the notices were issued by SEBI as a part of its larger probe into Tradetron and other algo platforms. Many of these brokerage firms continued their association with Tradetron. Okay, so the only Tradetron was displaying algo trading strategies promising assured returns. So this is on its website, SEBI noted. So this is the point where SEBI is not happy. Okay, so that's the reason they have been telling them broker to not consider the Tradetron. Okay, so it's the best time to move with the Python. Okay, you can check my videos, basics are available. Just get hand on it. Okay, try with the programmatic trading. As a quant trader, as a programmatic trader, as an algo trader, especially in Python, we can consider with all of this with the facts, whether these things are real or not with the numbers. Okay, not as with some things. So I've been already done some of the videos which is related to sentiment analysis. What you can do, you just get the PDF. So we just control P and download the PDF, and you extract the text and can consider the functions sentiment analysis with the text box. Okay, so all of the things which is need to be considered as a benchmark, as a graph, as a number. Okay, so it's better to consider that stuff. Now, as we move to our a channel, so I've already done related to financial sentiment analysis, which you can check the playlist and you can go for these things. Rating the stuff, whichever as per the contract, as per the merger, okay, which are things are accurate or not. Okay, so fact checking. Okay, as we do in part of a machine learning. Okay, so this is also things which you can include. Okay, so from this you can begin, and then after you can check with other sentiment analysis. Means try to consider and see whether the facts are correct or not. Okay, so uh, the first thing which we can try as we get a lot size. Okay, so we definitely can ask for the lot size whichever we have. So if I consider the part where I have to say about the IDFC. Okay, so if I just first if you try to go with the IDFC equity, you will be able to get the future contracts. But I think it is rolled out, and it has been rolled out recently. Okay, but the impact, as you can see in this contact note, is as of right now have been added then and there itself, and it is reflecting. Okay, so the changes sometimes when it is getting frequently, you can compare with this API URL. It will be very much helpful. Just download and see whether it is correct or not. Whatever, suppose I've been traded the IDFC. Okay, as part of the considering penny stocks and trading all of the stuffs, okay, as per the low risk high gain setup. When I was looking for the IDFC equity, it was not available. Only the IDFC First Bank it is available. So far, I just try to go with the IDFC. So here IDFC First Bank are there. If I just click on find all, as you can see the differences. So you can consider this as an map, okay, mini map. Okay, this is available with the sublime text, so I think that will be helpful. So our first point is the fact is correct about the IDFC and the IDFC First Bank merger because we won't see the option contracts or future contracts. So suppose if you are trading with the IDFC option or future contracts, you need to check this stuff. Okay, so if it is available means it is not, and even sometimes if you will get the news of future and option band or some of the contracts has been listed to the futures. So this is you need to consider as an NFO option, and then you will get with the future stocks as well. Okay, so this is how we should go for it. So at least the first facts is correct. Now the second thing which we have to consider is whether the pancakes, the pancakes which we are considering will be available till 20th November and after it is there or not. Okay, so that's a possibility you need to check. So if it is available, it should go for the, it will show the contacts. If it is not available, then we definitely don't have the options. So that is how you can just, just roll and can check. So if I just, one more thing which I try to give, that will be FUT. So if I just, see the contacts as NFO future. Okay, so after the instrument type, the segment will be there. So NFO future, so whichever the list available in FO future, but definitely will be in our option contracts. So that is the first you need to consider in your future and option band. So as per the news, some of the list has been banned. So how you can check through this URL, through this process. Okay, which have been already shown in my video. Just putting some keywords, just get with these things, and you can do. So the facts of IDFC is done. Now we will try to go with the BankX. So suppose I'll go with the BankX. So as of right now, instead of BankX, let's go with Sensex. So if Sensex contracts are there, so as of right now, the date is 11. 11 plus 7 will be 19. So if I say Sensex, so first thing which you need to mention as a 24 the year, and after you need to mention the month. So in month, what happens? You just have to give single digit, or as per the October, it is 10 will be there. So you can't consider. So you need to press O for this stuff as per the weekly contracts. Monthly contracts, no issues. Okay, you just have to go with the OCT and it will be helpful. So we'll check the same thing. First of all, we'll go with this. So as of right now, the part of contact which we will try to check as 11 plus 7, definitely 18. 11 plus 7, 18. Okay, so this is how we got the contracts with the pancakes, and we will try to check what are the things available or not. Okay, so as of right now, just if I just go with as O, and today is 11, so 12, 13, 14. 14th will be Monday. Okay, and we'll go with the 55,000. See like that. Okay, so we'll check whether it is available or not. Okay, so the contract is available. If I say 14 plus 7, 21, it is available or not, you can check this stuff. So now these things can be automated. So I think this is monthly contracts. So I must say that for sure it is available. Okay, otherwise it won't be there. So either one more news is there that the contract which we are considering. Okay, so it will be on expiry, whichever contract is there. It try to like get out until it is available. After that, it won't be available. Okay, so few of the contracts still we can consider. Okay, so that is how you can check. And if I opt for the option as an OCT, we'll see whether we got the contract or not. Okay, so this is the monthly contract which you need to check. Okay, so this is how you can check. And if we go with the other contracts, we'll definitely for sure you won't get the expiry contracts of this one. Okay, so that is the facts. I think it is clear, and the Tradetron facts is clear. The point is you need to get with the Python, and that is how you can do some of the stuff in especially the customized part. The third-party applications will be more better. So if you want to clone the Tradetron, so that is also possible through Python. Okay, so I must say that try to learn the basics and do whatever you like to do. Okay, in case machine learning also helps the most, especially like whatever the things which we can't do it as a physically and won't be possible, like lots of time will be involved. So from sitting in a room and if you want to do certain stuffs, it will be helpful. Okay, so I must say that stay subscribed with the Profit Data. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And for the upcoming videos, I try to do some of the YouTuber strategy, basically an assistant design and how you can do algorithms. So for that reason, also stay subscribed. And in between, also I come with the breaking news in Python. For that is also stay with us. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.